let's consider multiplying a whole number by a fraction. When you're asked to multiply a whole number by a fraction, this is a very simple trick you can use to do it without error. The first thing you want to do is to write the whole number as a fraction. And how you do this is, for example, if you're given a whole number, say 2, for example, you would then write it as 2 divided by 1. So like this, you have something like this, 2 becoming 2 divided by 1 in that case. That's for the first step. Then the second thing you want to do is to multiply the numerators and denominators. And then finally, you simplify your answer. Now, let's take an example trying this trick out. So, for example, simplify 4 multiplied by 3/7. Now, if you're asked to do this, let's apply this trick and see how it works. So, in our solution, we would have, remember, first step, write the whole number as a fraction. And to do that, it becomes 4 divided by 1. And then we multiply that into 3 divided by 7. Now, what do we get? We multiply the numerators as stated in the step 2. So we would have 4 multiplied by 3. And then we multiply the denominators as well. So we have 1 multiplied by 7. Now, what does this give us? 4 multiplied by 3 would give us 12 divided by 1 multiplied by 7 would give us 7. Now, here's one more thing. You have to simplify your answer because oftentimes you will get, like in this case, an improper fraction. So you have to convert that into a mixed fraction. And to do that, you find out how many times 7 will go in 12. And 7 will only go once. So that is, we have one whole number. But it doesn't take the entire 12, so we have a remainder. So when you take 7 out of 12, you are left with 5. So our remainder is 5. So we write 5 over the same denominator is what we keep, 7. Giving our answer as one whole number, 5/7. Thank you.